Hey guys, in this video I'm going to go over using maps, so specifically embedding Google Maps in your app. So I have an example right here of a resume project that I'm working on. It's basically just a resume online that you would put if you were a developer, and it shows where you are on a map. You can interact with the map and you can see where you're at and you can zoom in and da 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 da, right? So this gives you a location. It's a cool little thing that you can use, right? It also gives you the satellite, right? So straight from Google. I'm going to show you the site. I'll put the link in the description and probably in the comments. Check right there for this site, mdbootstrap.com. And what they have is a bunch of different code that you can basically take. You're going to need to think basically if you're going to use this for development, you actually do pay these guys, whatever. They have a bunch of different options right here. So I guess this is a satellite map, right? And this just sits in a div, just a really simple div, just a container where you can put just a map of wherever you want. And I'll show you how to get the iFrame for that. So if you ever got an iFrame, it's this thing right here, and you go get it from Google. You just go to wherever you want and inside of Google, and then you hit share, and then when you go to embed a map, you steal this code right here. So super easy. But this allows you to, with Bootstrap, obviously have Bootstrap installed, provide a lot of different map options. So this one's pretty cool. I like it. It's a card, so it's actually a Bootstrap card, and it has a little header here that says like where a location is at. So maybe for like a restaurant or something, you'd have the different locations. You'd have San Francisco location will be on a map, and then Madrid's location will be on a map, right? So a little bit different there. So I'm gonna go over to my actual code and I'm gonna show you what I actually have in here, right? So here's my index.php file, right? And then here's where I include my map.php file, right? And you can name it whatever you want. I just named it map.php. That is where I keep my map component. And when I say map component, that is basically everything that is over here, right? In this area. Okay? So this container right here, that is where my map is at. So let me show you this real quick too, and I showed this in another video. If I take this out real fast, then I don't have a map, right? Because all the code for that map is in that other file there. So cool. Let's go and actually change where the location of this map is from Miami to Denver. So we're gonna go to Google Maps, I'm gonna go to Denver, and I'm gonna center the map basically just how I want it. Then I'm going to go to share and then hit embed, right? So instead of send a link, I'm going to embed the map. I'm going to copy this code, right? Then I'm going to go over here to my map.php file, and I'm going to go up here to the top div, right? So this code is cut directly from mdbootstrap.com. It is this section right here. So I cut and paste exactly all this code right here in this box. And you can just click copy code and it will have all that for you. And also I put all of the CSS in my CSS file, right? So as you can see, I've already done that. I cut and paste everything over. Boom. Okay. So now, okay, cool. So here's what you're gonna do. Sorry about that. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab the whole iFrame code, and you're just going to replace the existing iFrame code. Just cut and paste that in there. I like to just move this just down. Just hit enter one time, and then bam, there you go. So now it shows Denver, and there it is, right? You changed the map, right? You embedded the map, and then all of the code over here, you can change and modify all these boxes however you like, right? So this box with the code, as you can see, as you move it, it gets bigger. I've done some more coding on this that has actually made it responsive like that. But there you go. So that's how you go get a good map, right? well-styled map inside of Bootstrap, right? Throw it in your code and then actually change the location. So thank you for watching and have a good one.